What's up, everybody? It's your favorite Auntie Titi back again with another wig review. This wig is by Sensational and it's in the girl Nakida. And the color is called Fire Copper, honey. Yes. Pause, stop, wait a minute. Before I get into the video, if you haven't subscribed, can you please go ahead and subscribe? And as a reminder, I'm your favorite Auntie Titi and I do hair, makeup, beauty, and lifestyle videos. If this is something you think you might be interested in, go ahead and subscribe. What you gotta lose? You ain't gotta lose nothing. Okay. I'm stop talking just so y'all can see this wig. Okay, let's get right into this video, honey. Let's go, people. Let's go. So the cap structure of this wig comes with lace in the front and it's pre-plucked natural hair density. It has 3 combs, 2 on the sides, 1 in the back for an adjustable strap. Oh yeah, and I forgot, it also came with baby hairs. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and install the wig and then I will let y'all know in the outro my thoughts about the overall wig.
Un ladrón se robó mi corazón. Tú no tienes sentimiento ni tampoco corazón. Ay, un ladrón.
And since I ain't got nowhere to go, honey, I'm gonna put this wig on and go straight to the mailbox because somebody gotta see this wig. Let me tell you, child, somebody gonna see me in this wig. Let me just let y'all know that right now, okay?
Se robó a mí mi corazón. Ya no puede sentir. Let me get you alone, no. 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 Let me get you alone, porque yo soy un ladrón. Ladrón. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Ladrón y yo quiero tu corazón. Un amor, empecé a vivir, pero por el dolor ya no puedo seguir. Let me get you alone, no. 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 Let me get you alone, porque yo soy un ladrón. Ladrón. Un ladrón se robó mi corazón. Tú no tienes sentimiento ni tampoco corazón. Ay, un ladrón. 1, 2, 3, Jungle Boy. Un ladrón se robó a mí mi corazón. Ya no puede sentir. Let me get you alone, no. 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 Let me get you alone, porque yo soy un ladrón. Ladrón. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Ladrón y yo quiero tu corazón, corazón, corazón. Un amor, empecé a vivir, pero por el dolor ya no puedo seguir. Let me get you alone, no, no. Let me get you alone, no, no. Let me get you alone, no, no. Let me get you alone, no. Don't let me get you alone, don't let me get you alone, no. Don't let me get you alone, porque yo soy un ladrón. Ladrón. Eres un ladrón. Un ladrón se robó mi corazón. Tú no tienes sentimiento ni tampoco corazón. Ay, un ladrón. 1, 2, 3, Jungle Boy. Un ladrón se robó a mí mi corazón. Ya no puede sentir. Let me get you alone, no, no. Let me get you alone, no, no. Let me get you alone, no, no. Let me get you alone, no. Don't let me get you alone, don't let me get you alone, no. Don't let me get you alone, porque yo soy un ladrón.
So first of all, the hair does share just a tiny bit of itty bit. It's not that big of a deal, but you know, some people want to know in case they want to buy it. So it does shed a little bit. But other than that, I think it's a great wig. I think you should purchase it if you like color. I think you should purchase it if you want something that's ready to style and go. It doesn't have to. It's not too difficult for you to, you know, go ahead and put it together.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Ladrón y yo quiero tu corazón, corazón, corazón. Un amor, empecé a vivir, pero por el dolor ya no puedo seguir. Let me get you alone, no, no. Let me get you alone, no, no. Let me get you alone, no, no. Let me get you alone.
If you made it to the end of the video, I would just like to say a bit of congratulations because you are the real MVP for staying tuned to the end of this video. And thank you for watching. Again, I'll be here next week, Wednesday, with another wig with you. Stay tuned and thank you for watching my videos. Bye now.